Hey, how's it going guys? Today we're going to take a look at this battery charger for Sony Camera. Let's get it after the intro. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Sony or any other company. I simply bought it for myself and wanted to make a video for those who might want to get a charger for the Sony camera. But anyway, so I got this in the mail yesterday and I've used it several times to charge my Sony NP-BN1 batteries, and I can say that it is working and the battery gets fully charged in about 1 to 2 hours. Alright, so now I'm going to let you guys enjoy the unboxing footage. Alright, so here you can see the charger's input voltage and the output voltage, and it uses micro USB to supply power. And that USB to micro USB cable was included in the charger, so that's good. And here I'm going to show you the dimensions of the charger and the battery sizes that can fit in the charger. And again, you can check these in the video description for the full compatibility list. And now I'm going to show you how the charging goes using my NP-BN1 batteries from Bonacell and the original Sony. So basically when the battery is charging, it will show red light, and when it is fully charged, it will show blue light. Again, I've tested it and it did show blue light when the battery was full. And there isn't much to be said for this charger. It's working as it is supposed to be and I'm really happy with it. Anyway, that's all going to be in this short video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel because it really means a lot to me. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments. I'm always checking the comments. Anyway, hope you have a great day and peace out.